So I made my own custom pair of Nike Phantom 6, designed them in the colorway that I wanted on Nike by You. They've arrived, took about 4 weeks for them to arrive, they're finally here. Super excited to unbox them. Comes in this Nike by You white box, as you can see here. And then we'll just unbox them, I'll take them to the pitch, test them out, let you know how I think. The Phantom 6 is a fantastic boot. Excited to try them out in the colorway that I designed. So let's open these up. So like I said, comes in this Nike by You white box. Open it up. You also get a boot bag with it. It has the Phantom detailing on the front, but it has like the silver detailing. So it would have been cool if it was gold because it kind of matches the boots. Not really sure why it's in the silver, but it's still quite a cool detailed bag, as you could see. So move that to the side. You get the paper and it says Nike and the swoosh are trademarks and your guarantee of quality, and it has one of one detailing on there. Not sure they're exactly one of one because somebody could have made the exact same design as me, but we'll open them up anyway. Oh, look at these. That's the design I went for. Black, white and gold. Pretty simple colors, but together, how good do they look? So like I've said, I've worn the Phantom 6 all season pretty much, and they're very, very comfy. They fit my feet perfectly. They really fix the sizing from the GX2. It's much better around the toe box area, and this upper just looks fantastic. Reminds me of the GX1, and just, yeah. The design of this is very, very nice. So like I said, went for a black upper on these, just because the Nike grip knit gets quite dirty, and I kind of want to keep it looking fresh at all times, and with a black one, you don't really see the dirt on the upper, so it's a good thing. The details on the side, like the small swoosh and the detailing here in white, I would have put these in gold, but it didn't give you that option online, so I went for a white. I think it looks quite nice. The backward swoosh at the back here is a gold detailing, as you can see. Spinning it around to this side, you can see the Phantoms in gold, and then this miniature white swoosh here is also in white. Then you've got black laces. I just like that clean aesthetic on the front, so I like the laces to match the kind of tongue, and then you've got the miniature gold swoosh here at the top. What I did differently is I went for an AG sole plate, just because I play on AG quite a lot. So I've gone for an AG sole plate just so I can make the most of these and use them as much as I can. Also, I went for this kind of chrome gold on the bottom, which I think looks absolutely fabulous. I know it will wear off with time. Not sure what the colour underneath is, so we'll have to pay attention to that. Hopefully it's a little gold, but just a more subtle gold, and then it will match the rest of the boot. But I think black, white and gold looks absolutely fantastic. And I'm super happy to have these, and I will wear these. So in terms of Nike by You, you can buy them on the Nike app and customize it. You can change loads of colors. You can change the back heel pattern. You can change the Nike grip knit color. You can change the swoosh. You can change both these colors. You can change what sole plate you have. There's so many options that you can go for on the Nike by You platform. You can change it. I think it takes about 4 weeks to arrive. They were meant to arrive on 10th of October. So they've actually arrived early, so it's actually a much quicker process than it used to be. So congratulations, Nike, you've sped it up massively. So I'm a real big fan of this, and I might customize a few more pairs. Let me know down below in the comments if you want me to do a Mercurial or even a Tiempo or anything like that. You can even do it on certain sneakers, which is quite cool. But yeah, let's take these to the pitch, test them out and see what they're like. The Nike Phantom 6 by You, by me, in the black, white and gold. Super happy to have these. Let's take them to the pitch and see what they're like. Today we're at the pitch testing out my brand new custom Nike Phantom 6 in this gold and black colorway. Looks absolutely fantastic. So we'll test them out, try them out, see what they're like. I love the Phantom 6. Just from putting them straight on feet, what I would say is they fit a little bit differently to how the normal general release Phantom 6 fit. I'd say it's probably about half a size a little bit bigger, which is a little bit strange, and I'm not really too sure why it's like that, but they're definitely about half a size bigger than a general release Phantom 6. So like I said, I got these in the AG sole plate just because I play on AG more often than I play on grass, but they actually perform very well on grass as well, and the sole plate looks absolutely fabulous. It is glistening in the sun. So touch and feel on the ball. The Nike grip knit on the upper is very, very good. Grips the ball very, very well. Nike grip knit technology in general is just absolutely fantastic. Just a little bit annoyed about the sizing, but other than that, very good for wide feet. Feeling really nice and comfy. Yeah, they look absolutely incredible as well. Just touch on the ball, yeah, feels nice. And a few people have said The lockdown on the heel isn't very good, but I've not felt that yet. It feels very comfy on the heel, and this is my first time wearing them, so can't complain. Oh, I really hit that hole in the net. So to summarize, I'm going to give this boot a 9 out of 10. The Phantom 6 is just absolutely fabulous. It's such a good boot. Nike's done such a great job of developing the best things of the GX1 with the GX2 and just making it all complete. And I really like how it's on Nike by You, and you can change the colorway and change it to however you want it to be. Comfort wise, 10 out of 10. Just a little bit annoyed about that sizing, but yeah, here they are. Absolutely fantastic. Gold and black, looks perfect together. I'd highly recommend using Nike by You. It's so good, and they're really great. But let me know down below in the comments what you think of these. 9 out of 10 for me. One of the best boots of the year. So now that I've tested them out and I'm back in the studio, I thought I'd talk about some of my favorite things about these custom boots and what I don't like. Mainly the things I do like. The upper, the Nike grip net is absolutely fantastic and is such a good addition to the Phantom 6. And I really like the design. Like I said before, it goes back to the GX1 design and it just looks so much better. What I also do like is, I wore these on the grass. Maybe they'll wear down on AstroTurf, but the gold shimmering kind of like chrome finish is still there. There's actually no signs of it kind of wearing off. There's a few scratches here and there, but I kind of wanted to see what the colorway is like underneath. I wanted to know if it's a chrome gold or just like a more dull gold or anything like that. But there's no real signs. There's a few scratches at the front here, but you can see the colorway is pretty much still all there, which is great. I know I only wore them once, but a lot of people said that the chrome finish would wear off. The AG sole plate is absolutely fantastic, and I can't wait to wear these a little bit more. Like always, Phantom 6 has that incredibly soft heel at the back there, which just makes the braking time like nothing. You can just wear these straight onto the pitch and you'll be happy with them. One thing I don't like aesthetically, just aesthetically, is the insole that they've used on them. I just wish they'd match it to the kind of custom that you do. It might not come out, but as you can see, they've got a white Phantom swoosh on the kind of insole there. I just wish that was gold, just kind of matched the rest of the boot, but relatively clean. Like I said in the video, half a size bigger if you go on Nike by You. So maybe go half a size down, but really it isn't really a noticeable difference once you start wearing them. Fantastic pair. A little bit pricier to order it on Nike by You, but that's obviously because you're doing your own custom designs specific to you. It takes a little bit longer to process. But I'm really happy with these. And I'm going to give them, well, I've already probably given you my rating in the video. I'm giving them a 9.5 out of 10. It's one of my favorite boots to wear this year. I've worn the launch colorway all year, well, since it released. They're absolutely amazing. Can't recommend them enough. Definitely in my top 3 boots of the year. Yeah, these are fantastic, and I will wear them until they're no longer black and gold.